Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I needed a mouse pad, and instead I got a whole workstation with this SenseAGE multi-function mouse pad. It holds my phone upright so I can see it while I'm working at my laptop. It also has 3 pen holders, which are great for pens or markers or highlighters. And there's also a cutout for a corded mouse. The color is really neutral and really stylish, and it's smooth, so it makes it easy for my mouse to glide and move over it. There are also grips on the back so it doesn't slide over my desk and it stays nice and secure. The usefulness and style of this SenseAGE mouse pad has been excellent to add to my desk. And that's my point of view.